Welcome to Python Tutorial, Lesson 19. Today we learn about classes and objects. We will build custom types with inheritance. A class is a blueprint for creating objects. The init method sets up each new instance. Self connects attributes and methods to the object. Let us create class_basics.py. ClassDog defines a new type with a colon. Init takes self, name, breed, and age as parameters. Bar can describe our instance methods using self. We create Rex and Luna as dog instances. Describe returns the full details of each dog. We can read and change attributes directly, setting Luna.age to 4 updates just that instance. A list can hold multiple dog objects together. Let us review the code with bat. Now let us run the code. Rex is a 5-year-old German Shepherd from Describe. Luna changed from age 3 to 4 after the update. All 3 dogs are listed from the loop. Now let us explore class methods and special methods. str and repr control how objects display as text. Class method and static method add class-level behavior. Let us create class_methods.py. Count is a class variable shared by all students. Each new student increments the shared count. str and repr control how objects appear when printed. FromString is a class method that creates a student from text. isPassing is a static method that needs no instance. Alice is created normally, Bob from a string. The loop checks each grade with isPassing. A list comprehension converts students to dictionaries for JSON. Let us review the code with bat. Now let us run the code. str shows Alice with her grade, repr shows the constructor form. A and B pass while D and F fail. The JSON export shows all 3 students as a formatted list. Let us build a pet shelter as a mini project. Inheritance lets child classes extend a parent. Super calls the parent init to reuse code. Let us create pet_shelter.py. Animal is the base class with name, age, and adopted. Speak returns a default sound. Info shows the status. Info checks adopted to show available or adopted. Dog inherits from animal using parentheses. Super passes name and age to the animal init. Cat also inherits from animal with its own speak. We create a list of dogs and cats as animal types. Each pet calls its own version of speak. Info works on all animals since it is defined in the parent. We set adopted to true on Luna and Shadow. A list comprehension filters out adopted pets. Let us review the code with BAT. Now let us run the pet shelter. Each animal uses its own speak, woof for dogs and meow for cats. Luna and Shadow were adopted, Rex and Whiskers remain. Let us recap classes and objects. Class and init define the blueprint and setup. Inheritance with super uses parent class code. Special methods customize how objects behave. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python tutorials. In the next lesson, we explore inheritance and polymorphism.